Here's Kanan at 6 months. Say, I'm only 6 months by like a week and a half, but I like to try to sit up, and sometimes I can do it longer than others. And now he's on his belly. You gonna show everybody how you can roll? Can you show everybody how you can roll? And how you want to scoot and crawl so bad? Say, I want to crawl so bad. I want to get to things. But I can't. I just scoot a little bit, and then I roll, and then I scoot. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating it? Yeah? You spitting at me? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, now you're eating those feet. Now you're eating those feet. Can you say hi to everybody? You're going to spit at everybody? That's not saying hi. Kanan. Kanan, can you say da 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 da? Look at Mommy. Can you say da 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 da? Say da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah? Oh, you're just going to spit tonight. Can you show everybody those teeth? Show everybody those teeth. Say, there's my 2 little teeth. I have 2 other ones on the other sides. And I have my bottom teeth. Yeah. See, I'll hurt you if you put your fingers in my mouth. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.